Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make shrimp bisque soup. Absolutely delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so we have a pound of shrimp in a bowl. We're just going to peel. Very simple. Pull this thing off. Put the shells in this bowl. And then you're going to take the knife. You devein the shrimp. Pull that off. And then there's a vein right there. Okay, so you're gonna, the way I'm making it now is for the soup. So you go like that. See that vein? You're gonna pull that out of there. Very simple. I'm gonna just put it on the edge of the bowl. Show you again. So you just squeeze it in the middle like that. Just stick the shell over there. Believe it or not, we're gonna use the shell. Okay, so see the vein there again? Just gonna pull the vein out of there. It's called deveining. Pull it out. So now we're gonna take a pan, all the shells, the water, this is celery, carrots, and onions. All in that. And we're going to cook this on top of the stove for about 15 minutes. And this is going to be our broth to our soup. Okay, so we have all our ingredients in there. It's the onions, the carrots, the celery, and the shells to the shrimp. We're going to cook it for 15 minutes. This is what's left. That's what's left of the broth that we just got done simmering for 15 minutes. And I take this and I just push on it to get the rest of the flavor out of it like this. The carrots and the onions and the shells and celery, it's all in here. And this is what's left. This is okay. So now I'm going to put, the reason I use the ladle is so that it absorbs the heat so the bowl wouldn't break from dumping the hot water in. Okay, so now I'm going to put the broth back in there. So now we have pretty much clear broth. I'm going to add a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to bring, this is a cup of vegetable stock. This will just add to the flavor. I'm going to bring all this to a boil. Okay, so that's 2 tablespoons of flour and a 1/4 cup of water. This sort of make like a paste, and this will go into the soup. Go in here because it'll thicken it up as soon as it boils. So now it's boiling. So we're gonna add the flour and water combination. And it'll take about 2 minutes, just till this starts thickening up. Then we're going to add the shrimp, and then we're going to cook it for just under 3 minutes, just till the shrimp turns pink. stir it too. Okay, it's starting to thicken up now, and then we'll add the shrimp. It might take about 2 minutes for this to probably start. I'm going to put the shrimp in now, and this is going to cook probably around 3 minutes. So now we put the shrimp in there. Add a little bit of pepper to taste, however you like it. Also going to add a pinch of dill. And you season it to taste, like how much salt you like in it or anything like that. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. So I'm going to add some butter to top it off. So our seasonings were paprika, salt, pepper, and dill. That looks very good. Let's dish some of it out. Make sure we get enough of that shrimp in there. Looks good.